Today I am going to tell you amazing facts about pigeons. Pigeons have domesticated for thousands of years with the first records dated back to ancient Mesopotamia. Recognize themselves in mirror, a trait shared with only a few other animals. They have an incredible sense of direction and have been used throughout history as messengers due to their ability to find their way home over long distances. Pigeons are capable of flying at speeds of up to 77 miles per hour. These birds have excellent eyesight, which allows them to detect light and colors beyond human capabilities. Pigeons were used extensively in both world wars as messenger birds, saving countless lives by delivering vital messages across enemy lines. The homing instinct of pigeons is believed to be a combination of visual, magnetic, and olfactory cues. Pigeons produce a specialized milk-like substance called pigeon milk, which is regurgitated to feed their young. Pigeons come in wide range of colors and patterns due to selective breeding. In urban environments, pigeons have adopted to feed a diverse range of foods, including human leftover. Pigeons are monogamous and often mate for life. The phrase passenger pigeon refers to species that went extinct in the early 20th century despite once being one of the most numerous bird species on earth. Pigeons have been used in scientific researches to study topics like learning, memory, and behavior. The ability to detect diseases like cancer through scent has led to research into using pigeon in medical diagnostics. Pigeons are among the few birds that can drink water by sucking it up rather than tilting their heads back to swallow. Some pigeon species are excellent acrobatic flyers, performing intricate aerial maneuvers. Pigeon droppings, known as guano, have been historically used as fertilizer due to their high nutrient content. Pigeons played a significant role in Charles Darwin's research as he studied their variations and domestication. Racing pigeons are bred specifically for long distance racing competitions and can cover incredible distance in a short amount of time. Pigeons are celebrated in various cultures around the world, symbolizing traits like peace, determination, and loyalty. In captivity, pigeons commonly live up to 15 years and sometimes longer. In urban population, however, pigeons seldom live more than 2 or 3 years. Praise be to Allah, there is nothing wrong with raising pigeons for the purpose of pleasure or to breed them for food or to sell them or to use them for sending messages as they were used in the past. The Pakistani high flyer or the Pakistani tippler pigeon is a breed of high endurance pigeon developed endemically in Pakistan. Pigeon meat is rich in nutrients and it has brain building effects which can enhance memory, promote blood circulation, and increase skin cell vitality. Enhance skin elasticity, so it has the effect of delaying aging and beauty. I hope you like this content and these amazing facts about pigeon. If you like, then subscribe and share this video. See you in next video. Thank you.